Hey guys, so today I'm going to be making Ube baked donuts, and then I'm going to decorate them with frosting on top and then Halloween sprinkles. So technically this is my first Halloween baked good for the month. But yeah, I'm doing more ube because I always do ube because I opened this sweet purple yam last week for my fish shaped bread, and so I want to use up the rest of it and so it doesn't go bad, so I'm going to use a bunch of it for this recipe. So the first thing I'm going to start with are these dry ingredients here, which are my flour, my salt, and my baking powder. And I'm just going to whisk these together until they are combined. Just like that. And then in my mixer, I'm going to add in my butter. I'm just going to scoop that in. My brown sugar. My sugar. And I'm going to scoop in my ube yam right in there. Let me scoop this a little bit off too, just so I can get as much as I can in here. Put this all to the side, and now I'm going to mix this together with my paddle attachment. Mix this all together for a teeny bit, and it's pretty thick mixture. This. And now I'm gonna add in my other ingredients over here. I have 1 egg. I have some ube extract. So this is gonna be really purple. Well, it might not be super purple. Here before I make a mess, and then a little bit of milk, and I'm going to mix all of this. I may not leave this in here, put it in there for now. You can see it's like a really dark purple, but now that I'm going to be adding in my flour, it's gonna lighten up a little bit. I'm gonna add it from this side. And now I'm going to wipe off the sides so that way all the flour isn't sticking to the edges. And then over here I have my little pan that I'm going to use, because like I said before, these are baked. I don't know if I've made baked donuts before on this channel. I think I did.
Easter.
Oh, Easter. Yeah, so I have that there. Gonna add, I'll add a little bit more. I can just add the rest in. There we go. I actually didn't make a mess with flour this time. I always get some on the counter, but. Now that I'm done mixing this together, you can see it's a really thick consistency, and I'm gonna put it into a pastry bag so that way it's easier to put into my pans. Now I have my ube dough in my piping bag, and I'm gonna start with my big ones here. And I currently have my oven set at 350 degrees, which, I mean, these are not super big, so we'll see how it is. I think we're gonna bake it for 5 minutes first, and then we'll see how they are. I don't want to over bake them. I went a little too over on that side, but yeah. And it's like a really, really deep purple, and so we're just gonna do a basic like powdered sugar icing put on top. I think I accidentally said frosting in the beginning, but yeah, so it'll look nice with my sprinkles as well. And I just wanted to do something easy this week, because you know, these are only gonna bake for 5 minutes, and this took me only a little bit to make the actual dough itself. Oh, sweeping out the edges. And I also have a little bit more in my mixing bowl to add. And I know I just got my Preppy Kitchen cookbook. I don't have it out here, but he has some pretty complicated stuff in there, so I didn't want to do that this week. I wanted to enjoy my 3-day weekend. And then I'll do these little donut bites here. And it's very ube-y. So we used a ton of that yam and a little bit of extract. I'm trying to get all this out. Now I'm ready to put these in the oven. I think they look pretty even. It's not like I can even them out like tapping them. But yeah, like I said before, I'm gonna only put them in for 5 minutes, and then like right before they come out, I'm going to make my icing, which is just powdered sugar and water. So yeah, we'll see when they're done baking. I have my glaze here, which, like I said, just powdered sugar and water. I didn't do any specific measurements, and I'm gonna start with the little ones first, and I'm gonna kind of drizzle it on like this. That. Let me add more to these other ones too. Let me move the bowl closer so I don't make a mess. And then I'm gonna add some sprinkles here. For the big ones, I'm gonna do like different variety of sprinkles, but I think for these ones, see, no, those aren't gonna fit. I need to do like teeny ones like these. They like barely fit through the thing. Because it's just very tiny little holes, so see how it gets stuck? But yeah, I'm gonna ice all of them and then add the sprinkles. There we go. And I'm actually gonna do orange sprinkles. That are probably gonna come out a lot better. I just do the rest of these really quick, and then I'll start doing the big ones. There we go. For the little ones. I'm gonna try these ones, just orange sugar. And that way, so that orange actually pops up on the dark purple. There we go. I think I'm gonna use a spoon for these bigger ones, but first let me move these over. I'm gonna try drizzling this one on with the spoon instead. See how that goes. I think I'll do bigger like drizzles like this. Like that. That way, so I can get more sprinkles on. But I'm gonna only start with 2, so that way the sprinkles don't dry, or the icing doesn't dry. I'm gonna do this hollow pumpkin mix. Ooh, that one's nice. It has little pumpkins on it. Oh, sorry. There we go. Lots of little sprinkles. That one has a lot of pumpkins. I'm gonna get some more maybe on here. Some of these. Oh. There we go. And then I also have some confetti ones. I'm gonna try those. But yeah, I'm just doing like a drizzle over. That way it's kind of like spider webby too. And it looks cool. There we go. Just so I make sure I have enough for the rest, because I don't have a lot of icing left, but ooh. Oh, these ones are also having a little bit of a hard time coming out. Let me just add these other ones, so that way it doesn't dry. So I'm just gonna continue decorating the rest of these and see you when I'm done decorating all of them. Okay, so these turned out so cute, and then I did this one as like a purple, and then I did the black and orange ones here. These ones look okay, but the little ones are cute too. And I want to cut open a big one. This is the first one I did, and they're pretty cooled down, especially because I didn't want the glaze to melt on there. But yeah, I'm really excited to try these. These look so cool. I'm really glad I chose like right before I filmed to get these Halloween sprinkles, because these are the ones I had, and it was like completely unopened and everything. But yeah, it's very Halloween-y. I'm excited to try it. But yeah, this tastes really good. You can see, I don't know if you can tell, but like it's super nice and soft in the middle. And I thought it was gonna be like too much ube. Sometimes like with my fish-shaped bread, like I mean that was just straight up ube jam in there, so it tasted like a lot of ube. But this tastes really, really good, and the glaze, you know, even though it's just powdered sugar and water, it's really good and not too sweet at all, because ube is not like super overpowering flavor. But yeah, I definitely want to make more, and I can, because I still, you know, I showed you that whole jar I have of the ube yam, so I have a bunch more left, so I can probably make more, and they taste really good. But if you guys enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.